You know what? My first wig, this lace though, it's not like their usual lace. Like, it's really clear and super see-through. Like, I am highly impressed with this. It looks amazing. And the hair quality, I feel like they definitely have stepped up their hair quality. It just feels way more silkier than what I'm used to. Again, not bad, just feels like a step up, a quality thing. Hey everyone, so today I'm working with Myfirstwig. The hair was silky and just amazing, and the knots were bleached to perfection. Back, I actually have it braided. And even though I say I want to protect the edges at all costs, I just had to try it because I was way too curious. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing. Get started, you want to go ahead and just clean your forehead. Make sure there are no excess oils or anything that might prevent the glue from sticking. I'm just gonna dry it with my blow dryer. You can let it air dry, and then apply it like how you would any other glue. I would say this glue, because I used it 3 times since, because I really wanted to give you guys a full review, and I would say this one kind of reminds me of a Ghost Bond glue type of formula, which means it's good. No other glue works for me besides Ghost Bond glue. No other glue. And now I can add Myfirstwig's glue to the list. I'm not even promoting this glue. They just put it in the box, I guess, to give me an option to use it. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm highly impressed, and I've used it in a couple of other videos that you will see come out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean any excess glue off with alcohol. This is important. If not, it will kind of look shiny on your skin and not look like, you know, a seamless install. And then cut the lace off. I always recommend doing this in portions. Don't just cut the lace off going from ear to ear in one huge snip. Take your time. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just pick off any pieces of glue. Don't do it with a tweezer, it actually really hurts. But tie it down for a little bit, make that glue melt into your scalp, honey. Styling, probably one of my favorite parts about installing a wig. You really just get to see the full potential of a wig and just be whoever you want to be. When you're wearing this wig, you can style it whichever way, make it sleek, make it creative. So I usually love this part. I spend the most time on the hairline usually and the styling. Installing can go kick rocks, okay? So I thought I wanted large exaggerated baby hairs, but when I really finished it, I was like, yeah, no, I don't like that. But those who may like it, this is definitely something for you to continue watching. I did go ahead and curl my baby hairs with my flat iron. I would suggest using a smaller flat iron, but you know what? I'm gonna be real. I was too lazy to go downstairs to get my flat iron, so I used this large one to curl my baby hairs. Just keeping it real. So a couple of little facts for you guys. This is a beginner-friendly wig. It obviously looks super realistic. It has the skin Melts Invisible lace, and it's 100% human hair, okay? So another trick you want to do is spray your hand with hairspray, and to get those flyaways, just get the hell off of your head or just stick down. You want to just press your hands firmly onto your head. A lot of times when I'm doing my videos, before I get into that, use some foundation to color your part to make it pop. But I feel like I'm always spaced out when I'm doing certain things. I be in my own head sometimes, and I need to stop. So absolutely love it. I'm gonna try to sit back so you guys can see. Very easy wig to install also, I'm gonna say that, but it looks so good. Look at it.